Welcome to the Mystery School Code. Today we will explore the fascinating world of codes, ciphers, and code words. In a world where encryption and decryption have become second nature, the Mystery School Code is a symbol of intelligence, creativity, and problem-solving. Mystery school ciphers originated in the ancient world, where scientists and scholars used them to communicate secrets and make scientific discoveries. From the pyramids of Giza to the Rosetta Stone, these symbols have been used to convey important messages for centuries. Now let's dive into the world of Mystery School Code. Think about the secrets that only a few people can understand. These people have special skills and knowledge that allow them to decipher words and unlock the world's secrets. To master the Mystery School rules, one must learn the skills of inference, pattern recognition, and symbols. These skills are not taught with traditional knowledge, but are reinforced through many years of practice and experience. The purpose of Gizem Code School is not to break codes, but to create them. These codes are used to indicate words that are too difficult or sensitive for ordinary communication. They are symbols of freedom and creativity, allowing people to express themselves in conflicts and thoughts. In summary, the Mystery Code School is a testament to the human ability to overcome difficulties and depression. It is a symbol of wisdom, creativity, and the strength of the human heart. Therefore, the next time you encounter a secret or mysterious symbol, remember the history of the Mystery School Code and its incredible secrets.